Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So we were discussing Python loops. In previous video we have discussed Python while loop and today we will discuss Python for loop. So for loop is pretty much similar to while loop. So let's see what it says. With the for loop we can execute a set of statements once for each item in a list, tuple, set, etc. So For loop, through for loop, we basically call or execute the statements, all the items or variables in a list, tuple or set. We can collectively call all the items in a list, tuple or set. So let's see an example of this. Here we have an example uh, in which we have three variables, apple, banana, and cherry. So if we use for loop, we can print or call all the variables once for all. So that's all from today's video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's goodbye.